I am Kelly Schaffner. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And if you are returning, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for supporting this channel. I appreciate it so much. I do unboxings here of Style Service Company. Enjoy those videos. You have come to the right place. And today I have an unboxing of FASHOM. And FASHOM is the newest kid on the block. They are a style service that is app-based, so you have to download the app and you fill out a style profile on that app, and then you are paired with a stylist and you get to pick the style. This is my second FASHOM unboxing. In my first box, I received some fun pieces. If you remember, I will link that video below, but I received an orange jumpsuit, which I loved. I wore it the next day after receiving it. That is such a great piece. I was very happy with it. One of the things about FASHOM that makes it very attractive is it is very affordable. On the other hand, it takes a while to get to you. You fill out all that information, and then within 72 hours, your stylist sends a preview to show you all the items they had selected for you. And you can decline those items if you like. And if you remember, the last FASHOM box, I declined a pair of yellow high heels. And I had wished I hadn't done that. So this time when they sent me the preview, I said, send everything. Send everything. With FASHOM, you get a 25% discount if you buy 3 items. And so I was like, the more they send, the better the chance that I can purchase something and get that discount. And I try to let the stylist do their job and pick my clothing for me. So let's get into this box. This is what the box looks like. It comes with a return mailer. The postage is free both ways. And with FASHOM, they have given me 3 boxes without a styling fee. And after that, I believe the styling fee is $15. So they send all of the items, and we don't have a price list. I remember that from last time. No price list. I had to go to the app to see the price list. The note says, "Hi Kelly, thanks for giving us a chance to style you. It was amazing to spend time picking out these items for you. I can't wait to see them on you." I think it's amazing for them to do that for everyone. It tells me to go to the app and complete my checkout. Within 3 days, I receive a 25% discount for keeping 3 items. I can leave feedback for the items and for the styling. They've enclosed my return mailer and to post my pictures on FASHOM at Instagram. You know, one thing about this, I would say that the package came better this time, the bundles. Last time it was all beat up, but the presentation in comparison to the other boxes is a little lackluster, but they make up for it with their prices, I guess. So, okay. We didn't have tags on anything last time, and let's see if that's different this time. Okay, first thing we have here is a Lelise. Oh, we do have a tag. Lelise cold shoulder. This is really thin. A cold shoulder top with a ruffle, and it looks a little short-waisted and very, very thin. I do like the print, though. It looks very springtime, summer-like. But this is going to need a special bra. This is going to have a strapless bra, which I'm not real crazy about, but I'll try it. And next we have a Parisian. And what is it? Oh, this is a dress. Very pretty. Is it orange? Is it red? It looks to be red to me, and it looks to be a little short. It's got the ruffle. It's got like a faux wrap with a ruffle on the bottom. It does have a belt around it. And what is her? Oh, we've got a zipper back and a V-neck. So this looks promising if the length is there. And then we have, oh, I'm loving it, Kayla's armoire. I'm really appreciating that we have some tags in it. I just think the designers need to get their due. Okay, that is the front with this faux wrap or extra fabric detail there. This is kind of a mauve color with these big flowers, and we have a funky hemline there. So I don't know. This is just a pullover. Let's just see what it looks like on. Bundle number 2. This looks know this is obscenely bright and I love it. And wouldn't it be beautiful with a tan that I don't have? This is so see-through. Can you see me? This is so super see-through. All the way. All the way. This has got to be like a cover-up. Oh, ladies, I don't even know if I can try this on for you. Oh, there is a slip inside. Okay, we do have a slip. And it's got a lot of ruffle detail, which is not really my thing. But what is the front? This is by Miss Selfridge. Okay. You know what? I'm going to try it, and we will see. And the last thing we have is some jewelry. I don't remember the jewelry from my... Oh, I'm so happy. I got fringe earrings. I just requested these from my trunk club. So I may be getting some in my trunk club, but I don't remember any jewelry from my preview. So can you see those? I need to go sideways. So aren't they adorable? And these look like orangish red. And then the next pair that they sent are a gold. Look at those. Those are pretty as well. Look how shiny they are. I am excited about these jewelry pieces, and so let's try it on. Okay, next we have, this is red, white, and blue. This is by Kayla's Armoire, and this is kind of cute. Again, a little bit short it looks like, but it's a, wow, look at that wrap. That is a really revealing wrap top. It's got that little choker neckline. This is a really nice feeling tee. I'm concerned about how big that wrap is in the front. And then last item we have, wow, these look so super small. These are by Urban Bliss, and they are teeny tiny, teeny, little bitty. They feel like jeggings. They have a little bit of stretch in them. I'm gonna try to squeeze myself into these so I could show them to you. Oh my goodness, I wish these had sizes on them, and they don't. But I do like the seams down the front, and there's some lacing right there. This kind of takes me back to late 70s at the roller rink, and I was probably the size in the late 70s. Okay, here goes nothing. We'll try it on. This is the Parisian dress, and it's too small. I'll show it to you. Here's the dress. It's really low cut. It's like, pow, there they are. And just, this seam is at an awkward place. I'll show you the length. I think the length is very good. I'm happy with the length. It's just too tight. I was concerned, even when my husband was zipping it up, I was concerned that I might break the zipper. This is, you can see it's very, very snug. I think you can probably see panty lines there. This won't work for me. I like it. If it was one size larger, it might have scored a place in my closet. Dress number 2, this is from Kayla's Armoire. Let me stand back so you can see that, the hemline, how it's a little bit different. I kind of like that. This fabric feels really good. I'll turn around so you can see it. Okay, this dress would be a winner, except this wrap in the front. Look, I look like I have a boob wedgie. This is the weirdest thing, and the seam is right down the center. It's a really high neck, which is a little bit too high for a summer dress for me in this type of fabric. I like the sleeves. The fabric feels awesome. I wish this whole bodice was different. My husband likes this dress, but I think he probably likes it because it just calls so much attention to this area, and I'm not real crazy about that. But this is Kayla's Armoire. This is Miss Selfridge, and I like that asymmetrical hemline. You can see that slip underneath, and the slip shows in some places and not in all places. I appreciate there's a slip because this dress is very sheer. Here's the back of the dress, and if you look closely, you can see my bra through it. So The things I don't like about it is I don't like all these ruffles. I think the color is too bright for me, just for me. It feels very nice, but the slip is attached and it's really ill-fitting. I don't know if you can see it through there, but it's very ill-fitting. This is a really low neckline. This dress is not my cup of tea. This top is Kayla's Armoire, and I really like it. It feels nice. I don't mind this choker neckline. It's a little bit lower and comfortable, just adds a little detail. It's a pretty deep V or wrap here, and in fact you can make it go really low if you like, because this is unattached. It is also unfinished. So I've been wearing it around. There's times when you can see the unfinished or the back side of the fabric as the blouse moves with your body. One thing I did notice that you can't see anything if I bend over other than cleavage from this side, but this is what the blouse looks like. And it is short, but I'm not minding it too much. I kind of like this blouse. I think the only thing I would have to do is tack it. I don't want it showing any more cleavage than that. The Urban Bliss pants, I got into them, and surprisingly, I really like the way these pants feel. They're just so super comfortable. They are a real stretchy fabric, similar to like a Spanx. They're high-waisted. I love that about them. They have working pockets in the front and in the back. And let me stand over here so you can see the length. I like that they come right to the ankle, and can you see that grommet detail? Ooh, I wish I took yoga. That tie and grommet, and then it has an unfinished hem as well, and these feel amazing. This is my favorite thing in the box right now, and these just take me back to the late 70s roller rink. I used to have pants with the seams down the center, and I love them, and I like the way these feel, and I'm surprised by that. Next up is the Lili's top, and I like this. Okay, so it does seem to be a little bit longer in the back, which is kind of nice, and we have that ruffle detail on the arms. It goes all the way up the back too, doesn't it? And all the way up the front. I'm not minding it so much. I like it a little better pulled up, but that's the length before it's pulled up. And there's not much range of motion. So other than that, it's not like I spend my days doing this, but so here's the back. And this is the Lili's top. I kind of like this one. It's cute. I wasn't able to even try on the jewelry. It doesn't work with my ears. Let me show you the way that is. It's really, I was so hopeful for these. I can't get them in my ear. I can't make that turn that needs to happen to put these on. Boy, they would have been so cute had I. These earrings are $20, and I think that's about standard if I was to purchase them at Target or something like that. And these earrings, which I think are so beautiful, these are a brass earring that are gold plated. If you can, let me see if you can see. They're a really thick post, and they're too large for the holes in my ears. I've had this problem with an occasional pair of earrings, but neither of these earrings was I even able to try on. These gold-plated ones are $25, and I enjoyed the earrings that I got last month with FASHOM, so I'm a little disappointed that the earrings were a box. For my final thoughts, I think that this box was very good. I think the dresses missed the mark, but I appreciate having all of these items to choose from. And neither one of the earrings are going to work for me. The tassels were $20, the gold earrings were $25, and I am not able to even try those. This dress, it's just too small. This dress is $40, and had it been a size larger, I might have considered it, because, I love red, and there was a lot of things about that dress that I liked, but it doesn't work. And then this dress, this Kayla's Armoire dress, feels like a nice quality dress, but it had that really strange bodice and the seam going up the front, and yeah, $40, not for me. And this dress, Miss Selfridge, I've never heard of that brand, but this dress missed the mark in so many ways. It was ill-fitting. The color is far too bright for me. The cut and style of it just feels too young for me as well. So that's going back. Now, these are the things I'm considering keeping. This blouse is also Kayla's Armoire, and I enjoyed this blouse. It feels really nice. This blouse is $35, so this might find a place in my closet. And also this blouse, this is the Lilise Cold Shoulder Top. This blouse is only $30, and I think it's very simple and subtle, and I am certain that I would wear it through the summer months. So for $30, that sounds pretty good. Then the last thing, this was a surprise from the box. This is the Urban Bliss pants, jeggings, whatever they may be, with these really great ankle detail. I enjoyed these so much. These are only $37. I don't know how much I'll wear them through the summer because they are so tight fitting, and I prefer looser clothing through the summer months. These are definitely mine. So here is the rub. They sent me 8 items, and the total of the 8 items is $272. I appreciate that they sent me plenty to choose from, but you only have to buy 3 items to get the 25% discount. So if I purchase the jeggings and the 2 tops, the total is $102, and the discount is $25.50, bringing the total to $76.50 for 2 tops and a pair of pants. That's a pretty good deal. The blouses I can live without. These I definitely need. So I would love to hear your comments on this. I am really pleased with FASHOM. I think that they are moving forward. They're a brand new company, and I think they have a lot of kinks to work out, and I think they're doing a fine job of doing that. I am willing to extend grace to a company that is in their infancy, and I wish them well and hope that they prosper. So let me know what you think about my FASHOM box and about all of the items of clothing I received. I look forward to your comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really, really appreciate it. I will have another video coming out for you in just a couple of days. Please be on the lookout for that, because I can't wait to visit with you again. God bless you all.